Welcome back to my channel, Mr. English Hub. I'm Alex, and today I'm here with the wonderful Emma. Emma, how you doing today?
Hi, Alex. Hi, everyone. I'm doing great, but honestly, the weather outside is so strange today.
Oh, really? What's it like?
It was sunny this morning, then suddenly cloudy, and now it looks like it might rain. A classic weather mood swing.
Weather mood swing. Love that. And it's perfect because today we're talking about how to talk about the weather in English.
Yes, weather is one of the easiest conversation starters, especially in English-speaking countries.
People talk about the weather all the time, even when they have nothing else to say.
Exactly. So you need to know how to describe it naturally. Viewers, can you describe today's weather in English?
Let's start with simple phrases. It's sunny. It's cloudy. It's windy. It's raining. It's snowing.
Repeat after me. It's sunny.
Repeat, it's cloudy.
You can also say, it's hot. It's cold. It's warm. It's cool.
Repeat after me. It's warm today.
Repeat, it's cool outside.
Here are ways to talk about temperature. It's very hot today. It's freezing outside. It's pretty warm right now. It's chilly this morning.
Repeat after me. It's freezing outside.
Repeat, it's chilly this morning.
Weather changes quickly, so these phrases help. The weather is changing. It's getting colder. It's getting warmer. The temperature is dropping.
Repeat, it's getting colder.
Repeat, the temperature is dropping.
Here are common questions people ask. What's the weather like today? How's the weather? Is it raining? Do I need an umbrella?
Repeat after me. What's the weather like today?
Repeat, do I need an umbrella?
Here's a basic weather description. It's sunny and warm today. I love this weather.
And another, it's cloudy and cold. I think it might rain later.
Repeat, it might rain later.
Repeat, it's sunny and warm. Emma, how's the weather today?
It's cloudy and windy. I should have brought a jacket.
I always bring one. I don't trust the weather.
Good idea.
Viewers, what's the weather like where you are right now?
Today we learned simple phrases to describe the weather, temperature, and weather changes.
In Chapter 2, we'll talk about extreme weather, weather forecasts, and natural weather expressions.
If you enjoyed Chapter 1, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And comment what the weather is like in your country today. Welcome back to Chapter 2. Now, we're talking about extreme weather, weather forecasts, and useful expressions people use when describing strong or unusual weather.
Yes, not all weather is simple like sunny or cloudy. Sometimes it's more dramatic, storms, heavy rain, heat waves, and more.
Let's start with extreme weather. It's pouring. It's stormy. It's boiling hot. It's freezing cold.
Repeat after me. It's pouring.
Repeat. It's freezing cold.
You can also say, there's a thunderstorm. It's raining really hard. It's a heat wave. It's snowing heavily.
Repeat. There's a thunderstorm.
Repeat. It's snowing heavily.
Here are phrases for windy weather. It's really windy today. The wind is strong. There are strong gusts of wind. The wind is blowing hard.
Repeat after me. It's really windy today.
Repeat. The wind is strong.
Now, let's talk about very hot weather. It's extremely hot. It feels like an oven outside. It's humid today. The sun is intense.
Repeat after me. It's extremely hot.
Repeat, it's humid today.
And for cold weather, it's freezing. I can see my breath. It's icy outside. It's bitterly cold.
Repeat after me. It's icy outside.
Repeat. It's bitterly cold.
Now let's talk about weather forecasts. The forecast says it will rain tomorrow. It's expected to be sunny all week. They say a storm is coming. It might snow later.
Repeat after me. The forecast says it will rain tomorrow.
Repeat, it's expected to be sunny all week.
Here are helpful warning phrases. Be careful, the roads are slippery. It's dangerous to drive right now. Stay indoors if you can. Take an umbrella just in case.
Repeat, the roads are slippery.
Repeat, stay indoors if you can.
Simple extreme weather example. It's pouring outside. I can't leave without an umbrella.
And one more. It's boiling hot today. I need water and shade.
Repeat, it's boiling hot today.
Repeat, it's pouring outside. Emma, have you ever been caught in heavy rain?
Yes, once I forgot my umbrella and I looked like a soaked cat.
I need to see that photo.
You will not.
Viewers, have you ever been caught in extreme weather?
Repeat these with us. It's raining really hard. It's extremely hot today. The wind is strong. The forecast says it will snow.
Repeat, the wind is strong. The forecast says it will snow.
Today, we learned how to talk about extreme weather and weather forecasts.
In Chapter 3, we'll talk about describing weather feelings, how weather influences your mood, energy, and plans.
If you're enjoying the lesson, like and subscribe.
And comment your favorite type of weather. Welcome back to Chapter 3. In this chapter, we're talking about how weather affects your mood, your energy, and your plans.
Yes, weather doesn't just describe the sky, it describes how we feel. People often say the weather makes them tired, happy, lazy, or excited.
Let's start with mood. The weather makes me happy. The rain makes me feel calm. Cloudy weather makes me sleepy. The sun gives me energy.
Repeat after me. The rain makes me feel calm.
Repeat. The sun gives me energy.
More examples. Cold weather makes me stay inside. Warm weather puts me in a good mood. Snow makes me excited. Dark weather makes me feel low.
Repeat. Warm weather puts me in a good mood.
Repeat. Cloudy weather makes me sleepy.
You can also describe energy. I feel tired on rainy days. I feel more active when it's sunny. I don't want to do anything when it's cold. Hot weather drains my energy.
Repeat after me. Hot weather drains my energy.
Repeat. I feel tired on rainy days.
Weather also changes our plans. I can't go out because it's raining. I want to go for a walk because it's sunny. It's too cold to go outside. The weather is perfect for a picnic.
Repeat after me. It's too cold to go outside.
Repeat. The weather is perfect for a picnic.
Now let's talk about what kind of weather you like. I love sunny days. I prefer cool weather. I enjoy rainy weather. I don't like hot weather.
Repeat after me. I prefer cool weather.
Repeat. I enjoy rainy weather.
Here's an example. I feel happy when it's sunny. The bright sky gives me energy.
And another. Rainy days make me feel relaxed. I like staying inside.
Repeat. Rainy days make me feel relaxed.
Repeat. The bright sky gives me energy. Emma, how does weather affect your mood?
When it's sunny, I feel great, but when it's cloudy, I feel a little slow.
Same here. And when it's cold, I just want to sleep.
Honestly, same.
Viewers, what type of weather affects your mood the most?
Repeat these with us. The weather makes me feel relaxed. Sunny days give me energy. I feel tired when it rains. This weather is perfect for staying inside.
Repeat. I feel tired when it rains. This weather is perfect for staying inside.
Today we learned how to talk about weather and how it affects your emotions, your energy, and your plans.
In Chapter 4, we'll teach you natural idioms and expressions English speakers use to talk about weather.
If you're learning something new, like and subscribe.
And comment how today's weather makes you feel. Welcome back to Chapter 4. In this chapter, we're teaching you natural idioms and expressions that English speakers use when talking about the weather.
Yes, these phrases make you sound more fluent and natural in conversation, and some of them are really fun.
Let's start with popular idioms. It's raining cats and dogs. It's a scorcher. It's chilly. It's freezing.
Repeat after me. It's raining cats and dogs.
Repeat. It's a scorcher.
More idioms. Under the weather. Come rain or shine. A storm is brewing. It's snowing like crazy.
Repeat. Under the weather.
Repeat. A storm is brewing.
Raining cats and dogs means it's raining very heavily. It's a scorcher means it's extremely hot. Under the weather means you don't feel well. A storm is brewing means trouble might be coming.
Repeat after me. It's a scorcher.
Repeat. I'm feeling under the weather.
Here are a few more. There's a heat wave. Visibility is low. The temperature is dropping fast. It looks like it's going to pour.
Repeat after me. The temperature is dropping fast.
Repeat. It looks like it's going to pour.
You'll hear people say things like, it's absolutely beautiful outside. The weather is perfect today. It's miserable outside. The sky looks amazing.
Repeat after me. It's absolutely beautiful outside.
Repeat. It's miserable outside.
Here's a fun example. It was raining so hard, I felt like I needed a boat.
And another. It was so hot, I thought my shoes were melting.
Repeat. I felt like I needed a boat.
Repeat. My shoes were melting.
Alex, have you ever been caught in weather so bad you needed an idiom?
Yes, I once said it's raining cats and dogs because I was soaked.
Same. I say it's a scorcher every time it's more than 30 degrees.
Alex melts easily.
Very true.
Viewers, which weather idiom is your favorite?
Repeat these with us. It's raining cats and dogs. It's a scorcher. I'm feeling under the weather. A storm is brewing.
Repeat. I'm feeling under the weather. A storm is brewing.
Today we learned fun idioms and natural expressions about the weather.
In Chapter 5, we'll help you put everything together to describe full weather situations and have natural conversations.
If you're enjoying the lesson, like and subscribe.
And comment your favorite weather phrase. Welcome to Chapter 5. Today, we're putting everything together so you can describe the weather in a full, natural conversation.
Yes, we'll combine simple descriptions, extreme weather, mood, and idioms to help you speak fluently about any kind of weather.
Here's a simple structure to use. What the weather is like, how strong it is, how it makes you feel, what it means for your plans, any idioms or expressions.
Repeat after me. Weather, strength, feeling, plans, idioms.
Repeat. Feeling, plans, idioms.
Here's an example. It's sunny and warm today. The sun is bright and the weather feels perfect. It puts me in a good mood, so I want to go for a walk. It's absolutely beautiful outside.
Repeat after me. It puts me in a good mood.
Repeat. It's absolutely beautiful outside.
Another example. It's cloudy and raining. It's not too strong, but it's steady. The weather makes me feel a little sleepy, so I'm staying inside. It looks like it's going to pour later.
Repeat after me. I'm staying inside.
Repeat. It's going to pour later.
And one more. It's freezing today. The wind is strong and it feels bitterly cold. The weather makes me want to stay home and drink something warm. Honestly, it's snowing like crazy.
Repeat. It feels bitterly cold.
Repeat. It's snowing like crazy.
Emma, how is the weather today where you are?
It's warm and sunny. The sky is clear and I feel great. It's perfect for being outdoors.
Lucky. It's raining cats and dogs here. I can't even leave the house.
Sounds like a cozy day inside.
Viewers, can you describe today's weather in 2 to 3 sentences? Try it in the comments.
Repeat these with us. The weather is beautiful today. It's freezing outside. It's raining heavily. This weather makes me feel happy.
Repeat. It's freezing outside. This weather makes me feel happy.
Let's build one more full description together. Repeat after me. Today, the weather is warm and sunny. It makes me feel relaxed, and I'm planning to go outside. The sky looks amazing.
Now repeat this version. It's cold and windy today. I feel tired, so I'm staying indoors. The temperature is dropping fast.
Today, we combined everything: basic weather phrases, extreme weather, moods, and idioms.
Now you can talk about the weather naturally and confidently in English.
Viewers, what's your favorite kind of weather? Tell us in the comments.
And don't forget to like and subscribe if you learned something new.
Keep practicing every day.
See you in the next video.